Knotch tracks performance of brand trust for a number of financial service companies, and brand trust is typically the main question we get. And that 58% number is actually slightly worse for financial services. So said another way, once for someone who has consumed 100% of a piece of content, more than half trust a brand less than they did at the start of the content. So it actually would have been better for them not to have read the content at all. So there is definitely an improvement opportunity there. I remember a Sage strategy friend telling me once that content teams should actually be called audience teams, because the best content teams really have that level of intimate understanding with audience needs. And said another way, it's really important to understand what are the important questions which your audience seeks an answer for, which is a way to get to relevance.